step outside.
What do you mean?
Haven't been outside today
Bro.
at all.
Oh, felt.
Step outside into the real world.
Where crows once adorned the tree like imposters, buds of the spring begin to emerge. The birds beckon to be heard and call out only to those who are willing to listen. Diseases spread even through a temple like the body, and wars are waged inside nations. Citizens can leave countries they knew all their lives, and people can return to a god they turned their back on. A bird knows to fly back to its nest when the burden of the world becomes too heavy to bear alone. Time finds itself in the moments that it's lost and reminds you in the cycle of it passing. Love is found when you are not looking, and what you were searching for was there all along. The string of chirps and warbles resemble a familiar tone, a ringtone of calling, a draw closer to home. Peace only needs to be achieved amidst chaos, and faith is built around a world crumbled. We soar and ascend in a vain attempt to reach heaven, just to stumble on the way back to earth. The plane travels greater heights and farther distance, and yet still envies the wings of a bird. Next to the seed we feel cosmic, and in comparison to the cosmos we are slight. Perspective tends to shift when you move your point of view, and blemishes disappear when your glasses are removed. I look through the window at the view, and in my reflection, the eye of the bird shrieks that I am a fraud at the sight. Relinquish control in order to gain freedom, and live in fear in order to find joy. To see ourselves, we fail to see the world, and once we see the world, we can truly see ourselves.
Yes, I remember.
Your mom, she's very funny. She doesn't care. She took it to Switzerland.
That's my breezy, that's my breezy, that's my brother. To the racks, to the chains, and the watch came flooded. I still run through 100 pack with you, baby. I run through 100 pack with you, baby. I run through 100.
I know you guys know this song.
Let's go. We're going there now.
I mean, go where?
Tesla.
Okay, good. Let's go to that.
It's 10,000. What happened, Red? Oh, wow, wow.
They do love that.
They what?
They poop in the water.
What do you think, Leah? Bro, already the battery is almost dead. But I bought...
Really very out because the way gonna cook.
Your dad loves me.
Good thing. And then you blow the candle. We are waiting.
Don't wish for a car insurance. It's expensive now. Oh, that's
What?
Three.
Birthday. Oh, we're to happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to you.
How old are
Oh my
you?
gosh, Mom.
18.
Turn 18. I'm an adult.
So young.
Yeah.
Still young. Isaac is still got wow.
Well, there's a baby sea lion. There's a baby sea lion. Right up there. That's where wait, look at that. That's
Ciao.